So what I have here is a 90-degree lightning cable. Check these things out, everybody. So I've got the 3-pack here, and this has been one of the best investments I've made in a while. If you're like me, and you know what, you break a lot of these actual connectors, let me show you how this thing works. So what happens to your phone is you go and your connector gets turned. Check it out. It starts charging instantly. You guys see how that goes, a complete 90-degree instead of like that normal straight in that normally happens, and then your cord gets. So if you've got your phone sitting somewhere, it can have a easily going at that angle, and they're kind of small right there. I have my case, and it goes no problem up inside my case, just like that. So this thing works great. I've been using it. I have one in the house and one in my car. It's a braided type cable. Y'all see that? So it's got this braided cable, feels very strong. And I've had the one in my car for about a month, and they have been absolutely amazing. This is a 3-pack that I got mine in, and I see no issues with these things at all. And this is actually a little inverter that I use right here, a Zorky, inverter. This thing is really handy too. Check that thing out. Uses the DeWalt batteries and has a little flashlight. I keep this in my car as kind of like a backup. It's a 220-watt inverter. So yeah, so when I need some charging, this is the cable that I'm definitely going to be going with in the future. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the 90-degree 3-pack cable. See you on the next video.